Hey guys, it's Flame Panda here, and welcome to another episode of VB Adventures. And today, well, this is what we did last time, and wow, you can still see OBS in the background. That really helps. There we go. So, shall we do it? Nah, I'm 20 seconds in. So, what we have here is this is the menu that we made last time, but there's, like I explained, you're going to need to know your health and your strength for this. So I'm going to do that today. I'm also going to do some other additions, and I'm also maybe going to start on the next level. So let's get into it. So first addition, like I said, was to show the strength and the health. So console dot right line player 1 dot health hang on, no, let's do it like health. Yes, health is, and then we're going to have an ampersand, so we can also have player 1 dot health. So this will display the health of player 1. And then we're going to have another one like that. Say strength is, guess what I'm going to put here? An ampersand followed by player 1 dot strength. So when we get the menu up now, if it will work, because it takes a while, there were build errors. Yes. Okay. Where's the build error? Can anyone see a build error? There we go. It worked. I don't know what the build error was. It might have just been computer acting up, or just VB acting up, or something acting up. It was something. So at the moment, if we press anything, that's not going to do anything at the moment. It'll just keep going round and round and round until we press X. So another addition I thought I'd make is, I think in the future I might, if I make it too big, I might want to save the game and let's have a name for the player so we know what each saved game, who owns each saved game. So we're going to have a name, and in the setup down here we'll ask the player for their name. So console dot right line what is, actually, you know what? No, I know where I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that in the same place most games have it, and that is in the instructions, i.e. level 1. So let's do it. So we're going to go straight to level 1. We don't need to do the whole thing. So level 1. I'm going to make a subroutine for that. Hang on. Let's put it just before. No, we'll do it after story mode, because I have a feeling this is where most of the levels will be. Level 1 equals, no wait, level 1. Hang on. Let's actually start coding well today, shall we? Level 1. There we go. So part of this, I'm going to need a new structure. But I don't know whether I'll get there in today's episode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the structure till next time. Or should I do it now? You know what? I'm going to do it now. I have a bit of a list saying what I want to do today, and I've done 2 of the 4 things so far. So let's do the 3rd one, which is another structure called friends. Because everybody needs a friend. So friends all need a name, I guess. They need health as well, because they can die. They're not going to be something that you can train up though, unfortunately. But you can. Strength is also one you can't train up. And another thing we're going to have is a friendship level. So the more of a friend they are to you, the more loyal they are. Should I have friendship level, or should we just call them loyalty? So the more loyal they are, maybe less likely they are to turn to the dark side, or whatever we're going to call the bad side for this game. So at the beginning, you're not going to have any friends. But in level 1, we are going to have a friend. So, the first part of level 1 is, well, got to introduce the game, don't we? So, console.writeLine. Welcome, adventurer. What else shall we get them to say? You are about to embark on a great quest. I don't know whether they will or not. I have no clue what's going to happen. I have literally just planned this about 10 seconds before recording, because I'm prepared, let's say. Right. We need your help as more and more magical creatures, let's do that, magical creatures are being woken. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? That's right English. I English good, alright? I English good. Console.writeLine. Okay, I don't English good. I code good, but I don't English good. You have been selected by your village to try and defeat the local actually no, let's have it as strongest in. It helps if I type what I mean to type. As strongest in your village, you have been selected to fight the local monster, the Incantado. Or Incantado. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's just I looked up mythological water creatures and it came up with an Incantado, and I thought that sounds cool. It's a Brazilian shape-shifting trickster dolphin for those of you who don't know. Incantado. How many? Yeah, that'll do. Many will do. So what else shall we get them to explain? You know what? Let's do it like console.read. You know how in games they get you to read one line at a time, and then they'll instantly clear what you say. Ooh, why do they have to be so annoying? Because then you're like, oh, I wasn't really listening to that bit. I'm gonna do it anyway. Console.clear. So this is mainly just the backstory for it, or for the whole game. And I mentioned about a bad side earlier, and I'm thinking what's going to happen is all these magical monsters are being controlled by one bad team. Bad evil villain. That's the word I'm going for. Bad villain, evil villain. I don't know. Whatever you choose. Hang on. Console.read. At least I've learnt this time not to try and talk and type at the same time, except from little things and when I'm typing what I'm saying. Or maybe I haven't. We'll find out later in the video. Okay, what else do we need? So we have like a... You know what? Console.write line. Having this bit as a different thing. We have Mum saying this. Mum. No, wait, hang on. Before we do that, console.write line. However, the village needs to know what their future great hero is. What? How did you get up there? I don't know how I got there. Hero's name is stop console.write line. This is where we're gonna get them to get get what their name is. What is your name? Question mark. So player name. Player 1 dot name equals console dot read bracket bracket. And now we know what their name is. Now we're gonna have the mum bit. Console dot write line. This bit is basically, you know how games they have their narration and then you actually get into your game and it's like your mum talking. Like Pokemon does it quite a bit. Like, you know how you have your little bit of narration, then you wake up in your room, you go downstairs and you say hi to your mum, and your mum talks to you and tells you to go to Professor Oak's office. And I've been playing Pokemon Red too much. Pokemon Red, Professor Oak? I don't know. We'll find out. I'll find out for next time. Next time I try to do a Pokemon reference. I know they're all wood, so you can have a Pokemon, Professor Oak, Professor Elm, I don't know. Professor Birch, is that one? I don't know. Come on. Then we're gonna have the player's name. Player 1 dot name. That's a percentage sign, not an ampersand. Player 1 dot name. Come on, player 1 dot name. The village. That is not how you spell village. The village is counting on you. I don't think it would look very good if you are late up, because that is definitely gonna give them so much enthusiasm, isn't it? Being late up, out of bed, late to work, you know. Think about in real life. If you were late to work on your first day, what kind of impression would that be? Like, console.read. Console.clear. No, over here. Come on. No, too far. There we go. I'm just going to scroll up for you. I don't admit, I didn't really think of a backstory for this. I probably should have. You know what? For next time, room for improvement. Next time I'll come up with a backstory before I start coding. In fact, that is the end of today's episode. I'm just going to write a comment about what this is, This is the introduction level. And so that's the end of today's episode. Between now and next episode, I'm going to write a little bit more of the backstory, so you don't have to see me keep on writing console.writeline, console.read, console.clear, because I have a feeling that'll get a little bit boring, and I'll show you guys what that is for next time. But for now, until next week, bye!